We'll be studying the distributive property, but before we study that property, we need to review a little bit about our exponent rules. A squared on the outside says I have 4x cubed multiplied by itself twice. In order to multiply, we're going to use our commutative property, which is going to reorder. I'm going to put my 4's together and my x cubes together. 4 times 4 is 16. X cubed means that there are 3 x's being multiplied. I'm doing that twice, so there are 6 total x's. Again, reordering these for me to multiply, I put my numbers together and then my similar variables. 2 times 3 is 6. Combining all the x's, I would have 9 times y, so 6x to the 9th y. And again, reordering the -5 and the -3 together, the y squared and the y. Multiplying two negatives, I get a positive 15, y to the first and y to the second, total y to the third. All right, now for the distributive property. The distributive property just means this: you distribute. So whenever you have a value on the outside, you're going to distribute to everything that is being multiplied by. So A is being multiplied by B, and A is being multiplied by C. So what does this look like without all these letters A, B, and C? 3 is going to be multiplied by x and 4. 3 is multiplied by the x, and 3 is multiplied by the 4. 3 times x is 3x. 3 times 4 is 12. Again, passing this out, distributing the 2x to each of these terms, x squared and the 2x to the 4. Multiplying using my exponent rules, single x and 2 more, 2x to the third. 2x times 4 is 8x. We can even distribute backwards. This 3x cubed needs to be multiplied by everything in the parentheses. So x squared is multiplied by 3x cubed. Subtract 2x, which is also multiplied by 3x cubed. Multiplying, adding your exponents, you get 3x to the 5th. Minus, subtract, 3 times 2 is 6. X, notice you have a 1 and a 3, makes 6x to the 4th. So what we're doing here is multiplying a monomial by a binomial. Mono means 1, bi means 2. 2x times x, subtract 2x times x squared. Multiplying, keeping track of your exponents, there are 2 of them, and again keeping track of your exponents, there are now 3. And in the last problem, it doesn't matter how many terms you have in that parenthesis, that 4 gets passed out or distributed to all. So the 4 was distributed to the 3x squared, and the 4 was distributed to the 5x, and the 4 was distributed to the 1. Notice you keep your signs, the positives and negatives. So this is 12x squared plus 20x minus 4.